Gav malishgal. Vami a knuasachig. I was deep in thought. Vami a knuasachig. In be usse oornen a berkachig et ne question mora. The big questions. Ne question mora? I was considering a very important one just now. Jane Shorsha brocht a sharlom. Soup. Brocht. Keist chutramach de gunus en bi de shanachkris. Kerk le noodle. Lentil. Peser in his hammer. Nja, brocht Alpenach. Scotch broth. Or just broth, as we Alpenich like to call it. And you have me at a hien Gàidhlig, one of the few places that gives its name to a broth. And it is not broth di ferry. Gus de chutjachug, sho tuurmshe no ga. Here are a few clues to help you out. Tuurmshe no ga. Ons vrocht sho ha 3 príomh gríthechin, 3 key ingredients. Gríthechin are ingredients. Gríthechin. It's got a nice ring to it. Gríthechin, onion. That's not much of a clue. Ha onion gavor ons h-uile brocht. Gríthega, buntata. We Gaels could talk for hours about potatoes, earlies or late, waxy or floury, skin on or skin off. She rut gema keiltjoch a haun. It is a very Celtic thing. Rut gema keiltjoch. Gríocha tree. You'll guess the broth with this ingredient. Atak smochtje. Shug, broth Cullen. Cullen skink. Broth Cullen. But I haven't got an atak smochtje to hand. That was Series 1, Episode 9, if you want to go back and have a look. Sma isjiach shinigienev. It's well worth it. Sma isjiach ach in draste, Fimishnigol shiasen shin elorok kutjakin leiolis, an expert, kutjakin leiolis, et ataken agus brocht. Agus in la fefer, see a yev. Ian Watson is a former World Cullen Skink champion who has been making broth Cullen for many years.
Traditional Cullen skink consists of potatoes, onions, smoked haddock, cream and milk and seasoning, and that's all. Very simple.
Where does the name Cullen Skink come from?
The Cullen comes from Cullen, obviously. The skink, there's various theories. One's that it is Gaelic for shin, or Russian for shank, which traditionally it used to be made with meat, but because the people of Cullen obviously couldn't afford meat and they had plenty of fish, they substituted a fish.
What makes a really good Cullen skink?
Ingredients, the freshest ingredients. Our potatoes are from across the road, our onions are from across the road, our fish is from Bucky. The best ingredients you could get.
Tell me about the World Championships. I believe that you've won them.
I've won the competition twice for the skink traditional and twice for the twist.
Kerst maha. Ville geblaste sa ha koyat?
Jede viach.
Ha blaste.
Bleva.
Chanil moran na shar na brúlan. There's not much that's better than a full stomach. Chanil moran na shar na brúlan. Agus joviag sanache asantanike. It's given me some food for thought. I wonder if I could get a recipe named after me. Something savoury. Calamari, calaman, calajoy, stocha, joy. You could have a joy, a joch, named after you. Chid a verk. Chanil mora na shar na biag agus joch.